Most people don't fail the CIA exam because it's impossible. They fail because they treat it like a memorization test instead of a strategy exam. And that's the difference between people who pass on the first try and people who keep retaking it. So in this video, I'll break down exactly how to pass the CIA exam step by step. First, quick reminder, CIA stands for Certified Internal Auditor. So it focuses on risk management, internal controls, auditing processes, and business decision making. So unlike CPA or CMA, this exam tests how you think, not just what you memorize. The CIA exam has 3 parts. Part 1, Internal Audit Fundamentals. Part 2, Internal Audit Engagement. And Part 3, Internal Audit Function. Now, here's the key insight. Each part is testing a different mindset. Part 1 is fundamentals, part 2, application, part 3, business thinking, and IT. So if you study all 3 the same way, you'll struggle. And this is where most candidates go wrong. They try to memorize definitions, but the CIA exam doesn't reward that. Instead, it tests, what is the risk here? What control is missing? What should the auditor do next? So your study approach should shift from memorizing answers to understanding scenarios. Practice questions are everything for CIA, but here's the mistake. People do questions just to check answers. Instead, you should understand why each option is right or wrong, learn patterns in question logic, and repeat weak areas until they become automatic. This is how you build exam intuition. Don't try to study all 3 parts at once. A better strategy is to focus on part 1 first, then move to part 2, then finish with part 3. Why? Because each part builds on a different way of thinking. The most successful CIA candidates usually follow a simple system. Daily study blocks, even 1 to 2 hours, consistent question practice, weekly review of weak areas, consistency beats long cramming sessions every single time. The CIA exam is not about difficulty, it's about mindset shift. So if you approach it like school exams, you'll struggle. If you approach it like real-world auditing decisions, it becomes much easier. Here's the winning formula. Understand concepts, not memorize, practice questions daily, focus on weak areas. Think like an auditor, not a student. That's what actually gets people passed. To pass the CIA exam, learn the structure, change your thinking style, practice consistently, master each part step by step. That's it. Are you currently preparing for the CIA exam or just starting to explore it? Comment below and I'll help you figure out your best study strategy.